a couple weeks ago. Customer came in for some sound upgrades, and we did a lot more than that. So come check it out. So we started with some DRT accessories with the wind diffuser, the new hood, and then the front grille. We also went ahead and added some Sector 7 prism lights for the customer to get a little more ambiance and extra lighting out front. We also added our UTV Stereo rock light kit, 8-piece kit, full RGB complemented to light up the front and the rear of the car. So on the inside, we added to the customer's rugged radio setup that he already has. We added the Switch Pro plate and then DRT shift knob. All right, so for the sound upgrades, we complemented the customer's existing roof system with our UTV Stereo Ride Command Stage 6 Elite. This did the tweeters, the glove box sub, replacement speakers in the dash, rear speakers as well. Sounds really good. So to get the stance right for the car, we actually did, we replaced the stock springs with the shock therapy upgrade kit for all the weights and accessories that we added to the customer's car to get this thing to ride perfect. All right, so we also went up from a 33 to a 35, and we chose to do the Valor Alpha 35 10 15 tires to get a little more grip out there when he's riding. For some rear lighting and visibility and safety, we added the Baja Chase light and hooked it up to run the reverse wire, the brake wire, and then also the chase. So that completes the build for this one. I just wanted to say thank you to Mike and Laura. We appreciate you trusting us. And if you're interested, come check us out. Facebook, Instagram, utvstereo.com. See ya.